Show you all the fish. Isn't that pretty? Yep. Pretty, pretty, pretty. They're hungry, watch. Watch. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. They'll eat right out of your hand, watch. Mom will kill me, but I will. Trying to get the lid off. Watch this. Okay. Here they come. Feeding frenzy. Isn't that cool? They like me. I can pet them. Guppies and grommies and let's see what else. Platies. It's been really fun. We just got to get the tank right. And there's Micah peeking through. Micah! There he is. Let's see. We'll walk around here. And there's Micah. Somewhere. Micah. There. Here she comes. Hi, little girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Micah. What are you doing? There's Steve. Say hi, Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Okay. Micah! Oh, you want to be petted or are you going to bite me? Oh. Micah, 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 Micah. Come on and play. Come on and play. Oh, you're going to have a bite. Wow, look at in your face. Ain't you pretty? Pretty, 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 pretty. Micah. Hi, baby girl. No, we're not going to bite. Seriously? No. Don't bite. Hi. You being shy? Okay, I'm going to come back over here. And we're going to... Oh, dirty dishes. Ew! There's the little babies. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Like they can hear me, right? This is my daily entertainment, you guys. Dogs barking in the background, neighbor dogs. Jeez, oh. Okay, let's get a backup shot. There we go. That's our fish tank project. Started out as a Mother's Day gift. However, I'm the one that gets up on the stepladder, digs out dead fish, and or feeds them. Yep. Hi, Joel. And then there's Soupy under here. Let's see if we can see him. Hi, Soupy. What you doing, buddy? You cutie wooty but wooty. He's been playing hard. Look at that floor. See what birds do? Let me show you. This is what birds do. And we just vacuumed this last night. Yes. It's a daily thing. You have to do it like, gosh, 3 times minimum. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bird cages to keep up every day. Come, Micah. Are you being pretty girl? Are you showing off again? Yeah. You're a good baby. Okay, guys. Well, I could do this all day long, but I suppose I'd bore you. But, yeah. So, I'll be back later. Say bye, Micah. Bye. Bye-bye.